Hello, Kipsters. I hope all is well. Today, here's another math lesson for Notre Dame, all right? Don't forget, get your paper and your pencil so you can work with Miss Green as you watch this video. Or if you have a marker and a whiteboard, like Miss Green's big board right here, you can get your whiteboard. But make sure you go get something really quickly, pencil and a paper or a marker and a whiteboard, all right, to write down and practice with Miss Green. I'll give you about 10 seconds to find that really quickly before we get started. I want you to practice with me. Hopefully I see my friends getting their pencil and their paper so they can grow their brain even bigger and get first grade ready. And remember all those things that we did while we were at school. All right, good job, friends. Let's get started today with our math lesson. Miss Green wants to go a little bit faster through our lesson today, so make sure you're paying attention, you're sitting down, looking and listening. Looking and listening. All right, let's get started with our math song. 1, 2, 3. Math is so much fun for everyone. Math. Numbers, symbols, shapes, and signs. I see math all around. Math is so much fun for everyone. Math. Numbers, symbols, shapes, and signs. I see math all around. Math. All right, our next song we're gonna sing, we haven't sang this one in a long time. This Old Man. We had the book that we used to sing, and we saw the pictures around the farm as we sing this number song. You remember it? This Old Man. Here we go. This old man, he played one. He played knick-knack on my thumb with the knick-knack paddywhack. Give the dog a bone. Woo! This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played two. He played knick-knack on my shoe with the knick-knack paddywhack. Give the dog a bone. Woo! This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played three. He played knick-knack on my knee with a knick-knack paddywhack. Give the dog a bone. Woo! This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played four. He played knick-knack on my door with a knick-knack paddywhack. Give the dog a bone. Woo! This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played five. He played knick-knack on my hive with a knick-knack paddywhack. Give the dog a bone. Woo! This old man came rolling home. Six. This old man, he played six. He played knick-knack on his sticks with a knick-knack paddywhack. Give the dog a bone. Woo! This old man came rolling home. Seven. This old man, he played seven. He played knick-knack at 11 with the knick-knack paddywhack. Give the dog a bone. Woo! This old man came rolling home. Eight. This old man, he played eight. He played knick-knack on his gate with the knick-knack paddywhack. Give the dog a bone. Woo! This old man came rolling home. Nine. This old man, he played nine. He played knick-knack on the picture. It says dime with a knick-knack paddywhack. Give the dog a bone. Woo! This old man came rolling home. 10. This old man, he played 10. He played knick-knack on a hen with a knick-knack paddywhack. Give the dog a bone. Woo! This old man came rolling home. Yes, good job. It's been a while for that song. Miss Green had to try to think about the pictures in the book and say the right words. So hopefully you guys can practice that song by yourself later on. Good job. All right, friends, let's start our counting. We're gonna do our counting up to 20, the math way. And then we're gonna do one more, one less. Then we're gonna do counting to 20 in Spanish. Then counting to 100. You have to keep practicing counting to 100 by yourself. You need to know that before first grade. And then we'll count by tens, all right? So first, we're gonna start our counting up to 20, the math way. Don't forget the math way, to say 10 way. All right, Beardens up. Ready and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 1, 10, 2, 10, 3, 10, 4, 10, 5, 10, 6, 10, 7, 10, 8, 10, 9. Good, 2 tens, 2 tens, good. All right, let's try one more and one less, going up to 10 and back down to 0 for blast off. Here we go, starting with 0, using one more. Ready and go. 0, 1 more than 0 is 1. 1 more than 1 is 2. 1 more than 2 is 3. 1 more than 3 is 4. 1 more than 4 is 5. 1 more than 5 is 6. 1 more than 6 is 7. 1 more than 7 is 8. 1 more than 8 is 9. 1 more than 9 is 10. Let's go back down using one less to blast off. 10. 1 less than 10 is 9. 1 less than 9 is 8. 1 less than 8 is 7. It's getting smaller. 1 less than 7 is 6. 1 less than 6 is 5. 1 less than 5 is 4. 1 less than 4 is 3. 1 less than 3 is 2. 1 less than 2 is 1. 1 less than 1 is 0. Blast off. Good job. All right, let's count in Spanish to 20 before we get ready to count to 100. Get ready. Beardens back up. We're counting in Spanish. Ready and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Muy bien. All right, Miss Green is going to pull up the screen for you guys to see the 100s chart so we can count to 100 together. And then, friends, we are going to count by tens before we practice our numbers 1 through 20. Tracking number 1, because that's what we're starting with, and we're going to end with number 100. Good. All right. Let's get ready. Get ready. Get ready to count. Let's get ready. Get ready. Get ready to count. Here we go. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. We're halfway to 100. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. 10 more numbers. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Give yourself some shine. Say, good job, self. Good job, self. All right, let's try our tens by tens. Let's count by tens, by tens, by tens. Let's count by tens. Here we go. They're on the right side. All of them end with the number 0. All right, count by tens. 3, 2, 1, go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. One more time. Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Good job, good job. Good job to you. Good job, good job, good job to you. All right, friends, let's look at our number card. You know we practice these every week because those numbers 11 to 20, we have to make sure that we really, really know those, all right? Every time we see them and every time we write them. We don't want to forget, my teenage numbers, the 1 comes first and then the teen number, all right? So let's try our numbers 1 through 20, recognizing them. We've been doing these for a few weeks now, so I'm gonna go a little bit faster and see if you guys still get them at home by yourself. Get ready. Good. Good. We know you know that one. Good. Nothing. 0. Mm. 1 first. Silly Miss Green. Teenage number. 10 ones and 4 ones, 14. Oh. 10 ones and 3 ones. 13. Good. Ooh, big number. You'll be finishing high school at this age. Mm-hmm. Same thing, 20. Here comes the last one. Bam. Good job, 10 ones and 9 ones, 19. All right, good job, friends, with those. All right, we are ready to look at our big board up here. The screen has your big board again for you today. I'll make sure that you can see it. We're gonna look at our number line first up here at the top. And we're gonna figure out, what numbers come between? All right, what's one more and one less than the numbers? What number would fall in between? All right, it helps us figure out the number order. All right, so here's our number line again. We've been looking at that 1 through 20. And remember, we can use our fingers to figure out what comes in between, or we can block them like this. So if I said, what number is between 5 and 7? We would know that 6 is between 5 and 7, all right? I'm gonna move you a little bit closer, and I hope you guys can see very well. It's a big, big board, all right? So let's try it today. The number that falls in between. You guys are getting really good at this on your lessons. So let's look at it. What number is 1 more than 7, but 1 less than 9? So let me look at my number line. Here's 7, here's 9. What number falls in between 7 and 9? What is 1 more than 7, but 1 less than 9? 7, 9, put my fingers there. It is the number 8. 8 falls in between. So we'll say 7, 8, 9. Let's try the next one. Down here. It says, what number is 1 more than 13, but 1 less than 15? So let's look at my number line. Here's 13, here's 15. What number falls in between 13 and 15? 13. Good. 14. 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5. Good job. Let's look at the next one. The screen is erasing a little bit when I'm writing. Now they want to know, what number is 1 more than 16, but 1 less than 18? What falls in between 16 and 18? 16 and 18. What number is 1 more than 16, but 1 less than 18? $16, 18. 16, 18. Good. 17. You said 17. You are absolutely correct. 16, 17, 18. 17 is 1 more than 16, but 1 less than 18. Let's try the next one. What number is 1 more than 9, but 1 less than 11? So let me find 9 first, because that's our first number. Here's 9. 1 more than 9, 1 less than 11. So put my fingers on 9 and 11. What is in between 9 and 11? 9, 11. 9, 11. 1 more than 9, 1 less than 11. 9, 11. 9. What'd you say? 10. Good job. 9, 10, 11. Let's make sure those are not touching. 9, 10, 11. Good job. Let's try 2 more. What number is 1 more than 18, but 1 less than 20? Let's find it on the number line. 18, and my other number is 20. What number falls in between 18 and 20? 1 more than 18, but 1 less than 20. Big number. It's a big, big number. 18, 20. 18, 20. What is that missing number? What is that missing number? What is it? 18, 19. Good job. There it is. It falls in between 18, 19, 20. Good job. Let's try 1 more. What number is 1 more than 12, but 1 less than 14? Let's use our number line. 12 and 14. What 2 numbers fall between 12 and 14? It's hard to see. I hope you have a number line on your paper. Write your number line on your paper or count. What number falls in between 12 and 14? 12, 14. 12, 14. What's that missing number? That missing number falls between 12 and 14. 1 more than 12, 1 less than 14. 12, 14. Tell me in 3, 2, 1. Yes, 13. That's when you become a teenager, 13. 13. So 12, 13, 14. Good job. You guys nailed it. Giving you a star. Good job. You nailed that. All right. Let's go over here to the other corner with our shapes. We have circles, we have triangles, and we have squares over here. All right. Circles, triangles, and squares. And one of your lessons for today is counting objects arranged in arrays up to 10. So you're going to have to figure out how to count objects in different ways, in different arrays up to 10, all right? And you think counting is really easy, but sometimes we make silly mistakes because we don't cross out when we count or we don't use our counting finger. You guys are doing your work on your computer, so you need to make sure that you're using your counting finger. But when you're practicing it on paper, you can use your crossing out so that you don't make a silly mistake and get it wrong because you lost track of where you were counting, all right? So when we count, we always use our counting finger or we use our pencil or marker to cross out. Yes, yes? Good. So this is going to be on your lessons for this week, counting objects arranged in arrays up to 10, all right? And you're going to have to count some other objects this week. So a lot of counting this week. That's why we practice our counting every time Ms. Green does a math lesson with you. All right, let's start with our circles here. Ms. Green is going to cross out, and while I'm crossing out, I want you to use your counting finger, all right? Just like you'll be doing on your computer. I know there's a little bit of a shadow today, but do it right along with me. Come up to the screen, and you guys can point with your pointer finger. I'm going to cross out. Here we go. We're going to start on this row at the bottom and go up, and then come back down here to the bottom. Let's count and see how many all together. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many all together? 7. Don't let them trick you. I have 7 circles all together. 5 over here plus 2 over here equals 7 all together. 5 plus 2 more makes 7 all together. That's how you can check your work. Or you can use your fingers. 5 plus 2 more makes 7. Let's try our triangles at the top. They're in a different order, kind of all over the place. That's why it's important to use your finger so you don't get lost and you count and you be like, that. And you say, did I count that one yet? I'm not sure. That's why we use our pointer finger or crossing out. Let's count our triangles. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many altogether? 5. Good. There's 5 triangles altogether. And our addition sentence would say, blank plus blank equals blank. What would I say? Think about how many are at the top and how many are at the bottom. Blank plus blank equals 5. How many triangles at the top? 1, 2, 3. Good. 3 triangles plus how many more? 2 more triangles. Good. Equals 5 triangles all together. Equals 5 triangles all together. Good job. All right, let's count our squares. They're mixed up, so we have to make sure that we point and count or cross out and count. Do it with me. Make sure you use your pointer finger as you count. Miss Green's gonna do it with you. Follow my finger. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many altogether? 5. Miss Green touched it and I counted. I touch and I count so I don't lose track. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We start from the top. We go from left to right so we don't get mixed up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 all together. Good. And you can change it from 3 plus 2 equals 5. Maybe you could say 2 plus 3, or you could say 1 plus 4 equals 5. Good job with your counting. You're gonna have a lot of counting on your lessons this week, so make sure you use that finger to touch and count on the screen. You guys are doing it on a computer screen, so just touch and count so you don't make a silly mistake. We don't want silly mistakes and get it wrong. We want to get A's and 100s on our work, so we take our time and we do our best. Some of my friends are really rushing through their lessons and their math quiz, and so they're not doing their best work. Take your time. Do what? Take your time. All right, Miss Green is going to go back through the patterns up here. We had a little trouble with that on our lessons this week or last week. So we're going to look back at patterns again and make sure we remember about our AB patterns, our ABC patterns, and our ABB patterns so that we can get them correct next time. All right? So let's follow the patterns. We're going to look at the patterns, the shapes, and you're going to tell me what I should write in the box to finish the right pattern, to make the right pattern. All right, we're going to start up here with the circles and squares. I'll give you a second to look at it. What am I missing that would go on those lines? Write it on your paper. Try it on your paper. Circle, square, circle, square, square, square. Finish that on your paper. All right, let's try it together. Say it with me. Circle, square, circle, square. What's next? Circle, good, just like that pattern. Circle, square, circle, square, circle, square. What's next? Good, another circle. And then we finish with the square. That was an A, B pattern. A, B, A, B, A, B, circle, square, circle, square, circle, square, circle, square. That's an A, B pattern. We only use 2 shapes. So we use 2 letters, A, B, all right? Circle, square. Let's go down to the triangles and the hearts. Go ahead and start that on your paper. The triangle and the hearts. And fill in those missing spots. Triangle and hearts. Try it on your paper. Triangle, heart, heart, triangle, heart, heart, heart. All right, here we go. I know you have it. Triangle, heart, heart. Triangle, heart. Good job. Because there's 2 hearts that should be together. Triangle, heart, heart. Triangle, heart, heart. Then what's missing after those hearts? What would go on that line? Triangle, heart, heart. Triangle, heart, heart. And good job if you said triangle. You're so smart, so smart, so smart. So let's say it together. Triangle, heart, heart. Triangle, heart, heart. Triangle, heart, heart. Good job. Who knows what type of pattern? This was an A-B pattern. What type of pattern would this be? There's a heart, a triangle, and 2 hearts. So what type of pattern would that be? Not A-B. This would be a A-B-B pattern. So we had an A-B pattern, then we had an A-B-B pattern. Now we're gonna try down at the bottom our hearts, our smiley face, our squares, and our triangles. So try this one on your paper now. Smiley face, square, triangle. Smiley face, square, triangle. What are those missing lines? Smiley face, square, triangle. Smiley face, square, triangle. Fill those in. All right, here we go. Smiley face, square, triangle. Smiley face, square, triangle. What's next? How can we finish that pattern? Smiley face, square, triangle. Here's another smiley face, square, triangle. So now we have to start over again with, you said it, smiley face. What comes after the smiley face over here? Smiley face. Good job. Square. You're getting it. We're starting to understand those patterns. And last would be smiley face again, square again. Now what's missing? Smiley face, square. Triangle. Yes, we got it. Smiley face, square, triangle. Smiley face, square, triangle. Again, smiley face, square, triangle. That is an A, B, C pattern. We had A, B pattern. We had A, B, B. Now we had A, B, C, 3 different shapes. Let's try the last one with the big triangle, the medium-sized triangle, and the small triangle. Go ahead. Big triangle, medium-sized triangle, small triangle. Big, medium, small. Big, medium, big, medium, small. Fill those in. Remember, go back and check those first 3. Those will help you. When you look at the first 3, that will help you finish the pattern. Write it on your paper or use your writing finger, your sky writing finger. All right, here we go. Big triangle, medium triangle, small triangle. Again, big triangle, medium triangle. What goes there? Small triangle. Start over again with the big one. Big triangle. Then what will come next? Good. Medium triangle. Not as big. It's in between, just like those 3 little bears. Big triangle, medium triangle, small triangle. That is another A, B, C pattern. Good job, friends. I hope you guys practice that at home. So next time, Miss Green will say, oh, good job on those lessons. You know how to make patterns. You can even do it with your hands like we did last week. Snap, pat, stomp, ABC. Snap, pat, stomp. That's an ABC pattern. If we did an AB, we could do clap, wave, clap, wave. Repeat it. The pattern repeats itself. Clap, wave, clap, wave. That's an AB pattern. Good job. Now, you have 3 lessons this week. One is counting objects arranged in arrays up to 10 like we did. Another one is counting objects. And our last one is going to be subtracting 2. Your 3rd lesson is subtracting 2. All right? So we're going to practice up here using our number bond, our subtraction sentence, and our picture. All right? Sometimes you're going to have to draw the picture by yourself. So we're going to look at this one down here, and then Ms. Green is going to share the screen with you quickly, and we'll be ready to go start our lessons. All right, let's look over here at our number bond, our little circles, and our number sentence. So Ms. Green is going to tell you a story about our picture, all right? And then we're going to work it out. So if you want to go ahead and write your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 circles, you can do that. And your number bond. Remember, part, whole. All right, remember when we do this, we always count first. So we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 all together. So I remember my friends in Notre Dame always tell me, mark the hole, mark the hole. Where's the hole at? Is it at the top or the bottom? Good. The hole is at the top. So I'm going to mark it here. And remember, we're subtracting. We're taking away. It's minus. So the whole and the equal do not go together. The whole will go first. All right? So there's 7 all together. All right, so here's my story about these circles. We're going to call them oranges, all right? So Miss Green had 7 oranges. Miss Green had 7 oranges. She ate 2 of them for lunch. How many does she have left for her snack? Let me say it again. Miss Green had 7 oranges. She ate 2 of them for lunch. How many does she have left for snack? So I had 7 altogether. Okay. Then what happened? Oh yeah, I ate 2. I ate 2 of the oranges, so that means I need to, good, cross out 2. I ate 2 of the oranges. How many do I have left for my snack? I had 7. I ate 2. How many do I have left? I have 5 oranges left. 5 oranges left. So now I have my numbers. What do I need to write in the whole? How many did I start with? How many oranges did I start with? Good, 7. Miss Green has 7 oranges. Then I ate 2 oranges. Now I have, good job, 5 oranges left. Okay, what else do I need to do to that number bond? What else do I need to do? I know you know, you're so smart. Good, cross out that 2 because those 2 oranges are now gone. Now we can finish with our number story, our number sentence. So how many oranges did I start with? I have to tell the story over again when I write a subtraction sentence. I have to tell the story over. So let's say it together. Here we go. Miss Green had, how many oranges? Miss Green had, yes, 7 oranges. Then I ate 2 of the oranges for lunch. Now I have 5 oranges left for a snack. Good job. Am I done? Nope, nope, nope. Thought I could trick you. I need to do what? My last step is to cross out that 2. Good job. Cross it out here, cross it out. My numbers match. 7, 7, 2, 2, 5, 5. 7 minus 2 equals 5. Or 7 take away 2 equals 5. Good job. There's those numbers, those same numbers. Everything matches. So now you're done. Good job, friends. I know you remembered all those steps. Good job. All right, before I let you go, we are going to share the screen and we're going to look at a couple problems that I want you to do on your paper. And then you guys are going to go get started on your math lessons. Ms. Green's going to put them on your screen or on your computer, on your e-learning, and you'll be able to practice those. All right? So let's get started with these trains. We're going to be subtracting. We're going to be taking away, all right? And if you're really paying attention, I know that you can add in a number bond. I know you guys can, all right? So let's read. But before we read, we know that we need to count. So let's count the trains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 trains all together. All right, let me circle that number. So now we're ready to read our number story. There were 7 trains. 2 trains rode away. Now there are 5 trains. Yes, they gave us all 3 numbers. All 3 numbers. There were 7 trains. Okay. Then what happened? 2 rode away. So that means we need to cross out 2. 1, 2. 2 trains rolled away. Now there are, how many trains left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 rode away. They gave us our numbers. So now we counted the trains. We read the number story and circled the numbers in the number story or underlined them. And then we crossed out. We're subtracting, minus, take away. So now we can write our number sentence. Let's tell the story over as we write our number sentence. What did we start with? How many trains did we start with? There were, write it on your paper. There were, how many trains? Good. 7 trains. Then what happened? 2 rolled away. Now there are, look at those numbers up here in your number story. Now there are, awesome, 5 trains left. 5 trains left. And what's our last step that we always need to do? Cross out. How many did we take away? 2. 2 trains rolled away. So now it matches our picture. There were 7 trains, 2 rolled away. Now there are 5 trains left. Good job. They all match. Give me a thumbs up if you practiced that on your paper. Good job. Or you practiced it with Miss Green during the picture. All right, let's erase that one and let's go down and try the next one. I know that you can do it because you're so smart. All right, let's go to the next one. We're going to talk about the cars now. We're going to talk about the cars. All right, let's count. Look at the cars. Use your pointer finger to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how many cars altogether? Good, 9. Circle that number. There's 9 cars altogether. Let's read our number story now. There were 9 cars at the stop sign. 9 cars at the stop sign. 7 drove away. There are 2 cars left. There were 9 cars at the stop sign. I see them because we counted them. 7 drove away. There are 2 cars left. So we have to make our picture match that. There were 9 cars. How many drove away? 7. So let's cross out 7. Make sure you count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wow, all those cars drove away. So 7 cars drove away. There were 9 cars, 7 drove away. How many cars are left at the stop sign? How many cars are left at the stop sign? Good job. These last 2 cars were left at the stop sign. Good job. We can show that in our number sentence now. All right, so let's read it again. There were 9 cars at the stop sign, 7 drove away. There are 2 cars left. So let's write that. There were, good, 9 cars. That's the biggest number. That's how many we started with. There were 9 cars at the stop sign. Then 7 drove away. Now how many are left at the stop sign? I had 9 cars. 7 drove away. Now there are 2 left. Good job. 2 cars all by themselves. And our last step is to, good job, cross out the 7. All those cars that drove away. Now our story matches our picture and our number sentence. 9 cars, 7 drove away. There are 2 cars left at the stop sign. Awesome job. Good job, friends. G-O-O-D-J-O-B. Good job, good job. G-O-O-D-J-O-B. Good job, good job. All right, we are going to go down to practice this with number bonds before you go. Down with number bonds before you go. Here they are. The screen needs to move the screen a little bit. All right, here we go. Look at those little babies. Say hello, babies. Hello, babies. Here's our number bond also. Here's our number sentence, and we have to figure out how many are left, all right? So first, you know that we always need to do what first? What do we always do? Count. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I hope you're counting with me. 6, 7, 8. Look at those babies. 9. They look a little different over here. Remember, sometimes we have to look and figure out, is there something different in the picture? Yes, they're showing us that these babies, they're just sitting here playing. And these babies are doing something different. So we counted, we see that there's 9 babies altogether. Look at this, they even marked it in the hole for us. And wrote it first in the number story. So now let's read our number story. They wrote this in a number sentence. Now we're going to write the number story. Let's listen. There are 9 babies playing. All right, so these babies are playing. There are 9 babies playing. All of them are playing. 2 crawl away. 2 babies crawl away. How many babies are left? So there's 9 babies. 2 crawl away. Does it look like these babies are crawling away? No, those babies are still playing. These 2 babies crawl away. So let's cross them out. Goodbye, babies. There were 9 babies, 2 crawl away. So we can even make a split right here. 2 babies crawl away. How many babies are left playing? How many babies are left playing? We need our answer here and our answer in the part. There were 9 babies playing. 2 crawl away. 9. 2 crawl away. How many are left? 7 babies left. Here it is right here. So there were 9 babies. 2 crawl away. How many are left? 7 babies left. Good job. And what do I need to write in my part? I see the 9. I see the 2. The missing number is awesome. 7. And our last step is to always cross it out. What number do we need to cross out? How many went away? Not 9, because there was 9 babies altogether. How many did we cross out? 7 or 2? Let me look back at my picture and my number sentence. There were 9 babies. 2 crawled away. Oh, so 2 went away. I need to cross out 2. 2 babies went away. There it is. Good job. 9 minus 2 leaves me 7. Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job. All right. Miss Green is going to erase that one. This is the last one I want you to try by yourself at home on your paper. Miss Green is just gonna read it to you, and I want you to follow those steps at home, all right, to practice by yourself. Here's your last one to practice by yourself, right here. Here it is. There are 10 babies playing. One crawls away. How many babies are left? And I even want you to write your number, Bond. There are 10 babies playing. This time there's 10. There are 10 babies playing. One crawls away. How many babies are left? I'm going to leave that on the screen for a minute so you can write it on your paper. And if you get it done and get it correct, have mommy or grandma or daddy take a picture and send it to Miss Green's phone. Go ahead. There were 10 babies playing. One crawls away. How many babies are left? Take 15 more seconds. Make sure you do your picture, your number sentence, and number bond. There are 10 babies playing. One crawls away. How many babies are left? Ooh, I can't wait to see your pictures. 3, 2, 1. Good job. Yay! I'm so proud of you guys today. I hope to see all of this work on your lessons and on your quiz this week, and to see awesome grades when I send them to your family, all right? Miss Green is going to send this message to you. I'm going to put your math lessons up so that you can do them, and then I'll put your quiz out on Wednesday. Don't forget, those friends that finish all of their work by Friday and do it the right way, we get to put your name with the other kindergarten students in a drawing, and you might earn a gift card, all right? So get all that work done. Make sure you do your best. We'll put your name in a little box and mix it up with your kindergarten friends and see if you earn the gift card for this week. I hope it's you. Your lessons, lesson 1, counting objects arranged in arrays up to 10. Lesson 2, counting objects. And lesson 3, subtracting 2. We just practiced all of those things, so I know you can do it. Do your best, and I'll see you later. Love you.